What's going on, home improvement bitches? I have a couple hours before I have to get ready for work for a closing shift, so you know what that means? That's right, continued work at Picasa. Dr. T, you'll notice I am wearing my brace for doing some of this lifting. As I mentioned before, I wanted to use up every little bit of that old fence so that it could be, repurposed, give it new life. So I'm going to cut up the warped crossbars and utilize that to stabilize the boardwalk. Alright, home improvement bitches, it's time to lay this all out. So I'm pretty happy with the initial layout for, so I'll do one retaining wall, one boardwalk, one retaining wall, etc. This side not so much, only for the simple fact that I've got a little bit of a pathway already as it is, and it doesn't have a steep of a grade as the other side. And of course I am standing on the footprint of a future staircase. I gotta clean up, gotta do this work thing. Deuces for now.